Okay, let's take a look at how to assign air to this model. I have here our assembly in the form of a pebble. We've got an internal structure with a predefined self-supporting angle, and let's disassemble the model to see exactly what's going on. I've got an outer clear shell, I've got an inner clear geometry with these sort of voids inside, and that would be filled with the support material. So in order to override that, I have this separate geometry to which I'm going to assign air to. So I'm going to go to Model Settings, and right there at the end we have air that I can assign as a material to this body. If I go back and reassemble this model, we've got the air material assigned, and we will not have support inside that void. So we can make, just final thing to do is make sure that the self-supporting geometry is aligned correctly to the tray, and then we can send this job to print.